Hey guys, welcome back. Ran into something really cool this week. It was a pool heater that wouldn't start. Looked like a typical repair. It's got an I believe an E05 error, which usually just indicates the stack flue sensor is bad. So I popped it open and wow, I've never seen anything so full as this. Looks like maybe a family of mice or even squirrels has been living inside of this heater. So check out all these leaves. We got tons of acorns in here. We just got the pliers and dug everything out of it and got it all cleaned up. Replaced the stack flue sensor and it worked great. But anyway, we never did find the rodents, but got it cleaned up and hopefully it'll be good for another season. That's one bad thing about these Mastertemp heaters is they're all made out of plastic and the rodents just kind of nibble off the corner big enough so they can get in there, and then they are just terrible about eating all the wires and crapping all over everything. You know what rodents do. So anyway, thought you might enjoy it. Hope you liked the video, and God bless you. Have a great week.